Bubble, bubble, till long, than a shower head. Bubble, bubble, till long, than a river bed. Underwater, me, underwater, underwater, me, underwater, underwater, me, underwater, underwater, me, underwater. La la la, love it when you take it and you take it.
Okay, hi vlog. It's Thursday, the 17th. No, it's Friday the 17th of January. I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see all this beauty. I'm just kidding, or I can just go up in somebody's mirror real quick. But anyways, me and some other YouTubers are going to Caymanas River. It's in St. Catherine. We're gonna take a taxi because I don't know why, but that's what they agreed to. Sorry if it's super windy. I hope you can hear me, but I'm just walking out to the main road where I'm gonna just take a taxi to Half a Tree because that's where I'm meeting them. I was actually like thinking, you know, Bicana, what if you just drive? But then when I googled the location, somebody was like, you're gonna need a new front end, a new this, a new that. So I'm like, you know what, I'll just take this taxi because I don't know what the location is gonna look like when it comes to the road. So yeah, I'm just waiting on a taxi now. I'm wearing my Crocs, this dress, my swimsuit, and lotion, and everything is in my bag. So I'm all good, and my bag zips and locks. And then I also have my headphones in with my phone in my bag because, you know, my ordeal. But anyway, hopefully one taxi come up soon because I'm running late. Okay guys, so I just reached halfway tree. I'm gonna... The Jamaican people knock sometimes. Oh my gosh. Anyways, so we're meeting up at the Juicy Patty, which I believe is right. No pointing. I believe it's right down here. So this is the bus terminal. Yeah. So when I see everybody, I will talk to you guys. Alright, so I found the Thirsties and I am sweating so much. I'm gonna tell my camera. Little vlog. So I've met up with everybody. I always say we in the vlogs.
I do that all the time too. This bag is so nice.
Thank you. I spilled pen ink. The kind of stain,
like
but
it. So
thank you. So where are we taking?
You have to ask this girl.
She's the one.
She's a tour guide today.
Tour guide.
Oh, let's go sit down.
Okay. Hi. Let me sit right here. Bicana. Everybody else is here.
I'm trying to find someone to give this to.
They can't swim?
You swim?
Yeah. So Petagaye can't like swim.
I can't float. I can't do a little simple.
Alright, come on. Let's go. Fine, Annesha. Okay guys, we're in the water. There's a lot of seaweed and moss and grass and leaves, but the water clear. Oh, I got torch. Oi! The rock is slippery. Yeah. Woo. I'm at Spanish. Wait, no. I'm at Spanish Bridge. Caymanas River. It's really pretty and nice. Over here. No, I got a little bit. So they're gonna breathe underwater. Who can stay underwater the longest?
That's the game.
Yeah, and since there's music playing in the background, when they go under, you're not gonna hear this.
Bring it under with us.
Huh?
Bring that underwater with us.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
Wait, let me breathe for a bit. I was just swimming. Ready?
A fish will feel like you're upon me.
Oh, I don't think so.
I will feel like I sound like maybe some fish.
It's the water. It's the bubbles and.
Yeah.
You ready?
One,
1, 2, 3.
Ready? 2, 3.
You have to go deeper. Okay, let's try to touch the ground and stay on the ground.
Alright.
Wait, let's catch our breath for a second. Tell me when you're ready.
Alright guys. Woo. So the wig is off. The wig is off.
Watch Annesha.
Oh, he's so heavy. Imagine him falling
The water like. So I play a game. All I would need to play a game before. Because your battery looks like it's dying.
Yeah, I have to. Yeah, what's this game called?
But so I figure it out. Come on, I get the water.
Sorry guys.
trying to figure out what games we're going to do. We can play a swim race if you guys want to do that.
Yeah. Racing one.
Yeah, what's that?
There's some dogs. There's always some stray. Oh Jesus, my foot. It's a bunch of stray dogs and stray goats.
Hey, Gopro.
Peggy for Instagram, yeah. And that's where fucking Peggy.
Remember say I come to the video.
I know. Wanna come there? Ui, ui.
Yo, wait, never die.
Hả? À. You see me, I jump the car, I know what. No, come on. Are you ready?
What's the problem?
Bola, bola. Ready. One under the one. Flip up to. One last one, everybody, one last one. Ready? Ready? Set. Set. Go.
Annesha!
The sun is so nice, I don't want to move from you.
The sun is nice. And it's hitting your hair perfectly. Oh,
really?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
So we were talking about how like Jamaica is so nice that like after school they're able to just come, all of them as a group of friends, come down and have fun, just relax, you know? And like we're just saying, like in like America and Canada, you don't really do those things really. It's not really normal. Like you just go maybe hang out with your friends at the mall or like at each other's house. But that's why Jamaica is so nice. Like you can come and go swimming. You can come and do like all these nice fun things, right?
Right.
And yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
Life a
Simple
little bit
things
better.
like them.
Like dance, like music is playing in the background. The sun is shining. I don't know. I like it. I'm okay with it.
Yeah.
Probably like these from your way. mine. We're jacked up. Okay, let's do a selfie underwater.
Okay.
Oh, we're gonna post this video part. You ready?
Alright.
1, 2, ready? Wait, we have to do it one more time. Alright.